Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to connect and protect Azure Cosmos DB using Microsoft Defender for cloud. So we'll first have to enable database protection on our subscription. For that, let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I'm logged on to the portal. I will go to my Microsoft Defender for cloud. And then I will go to the environment settings. I will go here. In the environment settings, I'll select the relevant subscription. And then to protect all database types, I will toggle the database plans to on as soon as it comes up. And if you'll see under the database, you will select types. And you have to make sure that Azure Cosmos DB is also set to on. It costs $0.0012 per 100 IU or per hour. And if it is already enabled, you can click on continue and save. And then it will now all the existing and upcoming Azure Cosmos DB accounts are protected. Now we'll go to the Azure portal and deploy one Azure Cosmos DB account. Okay, so I'll just deploy the Azure Cosmos DB. Here it is. Create an Azure Cosmos DB account. Click on it. I will select Azure Cosmos DB. For NoSQL. Let's see, I'll do East US. I'll create new. Account name. Like this. I'm just applying it. Apply free tier discount. Limit global distribution. I'm going to go with the default settings. I'm going to go with everything default here. I'll click on create. Validation is still in progress. Cosmos DB. It is initializing the deployment. Deployment is in progress. Let me pause the video and come back. My deployment is completed. And now the Azure Cosmos DB account will appear under the inventory, and recommendations will appear from the recommendation template. So if I see that Defender for Cloud option is present here or not, here it is. You can say enable Microsoft Defender for Azure Cosmos DB. It is enabling it. So it will take some time, but you will see the recommendations in the Defender for Cloud. So if you directly go to the Defender for Cloud options and under recommendations, you would see some recommendations under all or secure score in terms of the Microsoft Defender for Cloud and Azure Cosmos DB. I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.